We start the detour approaching FM 1375 from the west, heading towards trailhead number 6. Once we hit FM 1375, we're going to turn right or east and begin our 2.9-mile road walk. When you pass the entrance to Kegel Recreation Area, start watching the power line. The power lines stop following 1375 and head north to the left towards private property. Here is the last power pole along 1375. We're going to leave the road right here to follow the right-of-way. Right before the next power pole and all that private land, we're going to turn left here onto the Firebreak. This is about 70 yards from the highway down there. This first section of the Firebreak didn't really seem obvious to us. We were always second guessing whether we were on the right path or not. But the main thing to know is that the most trail-like path is the Firebreak. The Firebreak butts right up alongside private property, so please remember to be respectful. When you see this black and yellow tape, you know it's time to bushwhack across Brown Branch. There is yellow and black tape on both sides of the creek, so when you cross, look for the tape on the other side, and that's going to help lead you to the continuing Firebreak trail. This is what the Firebreak looks like after Brown Branch. Seeing this tape right here lets you know you are on the right trail. Here you can see the Firebreak we were just walking on, and it's going to be meeting up here with Forest Service 233R. Here we are continuing along on Forest Service 233R. Forest Service 233R ends at this gate and this 2-lane gravel road, which is Forest Service 233. We're going to take a left here at 233 and we're going to head west. We will be walking along Forest Service 233 here for 4/10 of a mile. After the 4/10 of a mile, we come up here on the east multi-use parking lot, and much to our joy, the bathrooms were unlocked. Forest Service 233 runs along the west side of the parking lot here, and then as you see, it's going to take this sharp right there. If you get confused by these directions, just look up. Follow the power lines onto this dirt right-of-way. We aren't sure why this tape was there, but we just went under it. After a 1/4 mile, the power lines are going to diverge from the path. We're going to continue following the path northwest here to the left. Once again, the Firebreak meets a creek as indicated by the yellow and black tape. This time it's Smith Branch. We ended up just jumping across it. And just like before, we locate the yellow and black tape on both sides to indicate where to find the Firebreak again. Here is the Firebreak on the other side of Smith Branch. If you see this bus on your right, know that you're going the right way. The Firebreak is going to pop us out right here beside this dumpster and onto this 2-lane gravel road. This 4-way junction is really confusing, but you don't really need to know which road is named what. The key information here is just keep walking straight across onto Forest Service 222. There's a gate, and on the right is a little floppy sign that says 222. We're going to continue walking on Forest Service 222 for 1.6 miles. 222 is going to dead end at FM 1374. We'll be turning left or west onto FM 1374. This will take us right past Bethel Baptist Church and East Sandy Cemetery on our left. Just past the church is a bridge that was definitely not built with pedestrians in mind. Cross quickly and safely. We're going to stay on 1374 for 2.2 miles. Forest Service 243 is on the crest of a hill. It's just a little dirt road with a gate and there's no sign. And it looks like this. Continue for 0.3 miles and the Lone Star hiking trail is going to be on your right. Just look for this familiar sign. And just like that, the Stubblefield Firebreak detour is done. Good luck and we'll see you on the trail.